Let's get started with the Thermal Physics JAM 2018 paper. Here in this question, consider the first order phase transition of the sublimation of zinc. Assume the vapor to be an ideal gas and the molar volume of solid to be negligible. Experimentally, it is found that log 10P is equals to C1T plus C2, where P is the vapor pressure in Pascal and T is in Kelvin. C1 is equal to 6790 Kelvin and C2 is 9. So the latent heat of sublimation of zinc from the Clausius-Clapeyron equation is what? So according to Clausius-Clapeyron equation, we can write dP dt is equals to L by T into V2 minus V1. According to Clausius-Clapeyron equation, we can write this dP dt is equal to L by T into V2 minus V1. So this dP by dt can be written as this. So here the log 10P, log 10P is equal to C1 by T plus C2 is given. So now this log P divided by log 10 is equal to minus of C1 by T. This is the minus of C1 by T plus C2. So in this question, this log 10P is equal to C1 by T plus C2 is given. This is with a negative sign. This write with a negative sign. In this question, this is incorrect. The expression is log 10P is equal to minus C1 by T plus C2. So now we can write this log P is equal to log e to the base 10 minus C1 by T plus C2. Now this P is differentiate with respect to T. So this means dP dt. Now this dP dt is equal to log e to the base 10 into minus C1 by T square. Here the derivation of log P means this is 1 by P into dP dt. So now this dP dt is equal to C1 log e to the base 10, this is into P by T square. This P by T square. So this equal to, here this equals to L by T into V2 minus V1. This is given in the question. Here this dp dt is equals to L by T into V2 minus V1 is given in the question. So here we calculate the dp dt. We take the derivative of p with respect to dt. So we calculate the dp dt is equals to C1 log e to the base 10 into p by t square, and this equals to L by T V2 minus V1 from the question. So here V1 is negligibly small. V1 is very small. So V1 nearly equals to 0. So now L can be written as L equals to C1 log e to the base 10 into PV2 divided by t square. This PV2 divided by t square into t. So this is C1 log e to the base 10 PV2 divided by t. So we all know the formula PV is equals to nRT. For n equals to 1, we can write this PV by T. We can write this PB by T is equals to R. PB by T is equal to R. So now from this L equals to C1 log e to the base 10 PV2 by T. This equals to this C1R log e to the base 10. Here we can write this PV2 by T is equals to R. As R is constant, we can write this PV2 divided by T is equal to R. So this equals to C1 is given in the question. This is 6790 into R is 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. This is 8.314 and the value of log 10 is 2.303. So if we calculate this, then the value is 130 kilojoule. This is the latent heat. This is the latent heat of sublimation of zinc. So here the answer is 130 kilojoule. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us in this number. This is 9836793076, and you can WhatsApp us in this number. This is also the 9836793076. So that's all for today.